Hey there, taco lovers! Are you ready to embark on a culinary adventure that will tantalize your taste buds and transport you straight to the vibrant streets of Mexico? Today, I'm about to take you on a delicious journey to the heart of Mexico with one of its most iconic street foods, tacos al pastor. These tacos are not just a meal, they are a celebration of flavors, culture, and tradition. Get ready to discover the secret to making these juicy, flavor-packed tacos right in your own kitchen. Trust me, once you master this recipe, your taco nights will never be the same again. First things first, let's talk about the star of the show, the meat. The quality of the pork you choose will make a significant difference in the final taste of your tacos. Traditionally, tacos al pastor are made with pork. The cut of pork often used is pork shoulder, which is perfect for slow cooking and absorbing all those wonderful flavors. The meat is marinated in a rich, savory blend of chilies, spices, and pineapple juice. This combination creates a symphony of flavors that is both complex and utterly delicious. Ah, the pineapple juice. This is key, folks. It helps to tenderize the pork and adds a subtle sweetness that perfectly balances the smoky and spicy flavors. Next up, the marinade. This is where the magic truly happens. You'll need dried chilies like guajillo and ancho, garlic, cumin, oregano, and of course, that pineapple juice. These ingredients come together to create a marinade that is both aromatic and flavorful. Blend it all together until you have a smooth, vibrant red sauce. This sauce is the heart and soul of your tacos al pastor. Generously coat your pork with this marinade and let it sit for at least a few hours. The longer it marinates, the more intense the flavors will be. Overnight is even better if you can wait that long. Now for the cooking. This is where your patience pays off. Traditionally, tacos al pastor are cooked on a vertical spit, much like shawarma, but don't worry if you don't have one at home. There are other ways to achieve that perfect cook. You can achieve similar results on a grill or even in your oven. Both methods will give you that beautiful char and tender meat. The key is to get a nice charred crust on the outside while keeping the inside tender and juicy. This contrast in texture is what makes tacos al pastor so special. Make sure to baste the meat with the remaining marinade as it cooks to keep it moist and flavorful. This step ensures that every bite is packed with flavor. While the meat is cooking, let's get our toppings ready. These fresh ingredients will add a burst of freshness to your tacos. Tacos al pastor are typically served with finely chopped onions, fresh cilantro, and a squeeze of lime. Don't forget the pineapple. It's a must-have topping that complements the flavors perfectly. Grilling some pineapple slices adds an extra layer of smoky sweetness that's absolutely irresistible. This step is optional, but highly recommended. Once your pork is beautifully charred and cooked through, slice it thinly. The thinner the slices, the better they will absorb the flavors of the toppings. Warm up your corn tortillas on a hot griddle or skillet until they're soft and pliable. Then, it's assembly time. This is where all your hard work comes together. Pile on the juicy pork, add your toppings, and finish with a few drops of your favorite salsa. The salsa adds a final touch of heat and flavor. And there you have it, tacos al pastor straight from your kitchen. These tacos are a true labor of love and a testament to the rich culinary traditions of Mexico. Bursting with flavors and so easy to make, you'll wonder why you haven't made these sooner. They are perfect for any occasion, from casual dinners to festive gatherings. So, gather your friends and family and get ready to impress them with your newfound taco-making skills. There's nothing like sharing a delicious meal with loved ones. Remember, the secret is in the marinade and those fresh, vibrant toppings. Each component plays a crucial role in creating the perfect taco. Happy cooking and hasta luego. Enjoy your tacos al pastor and the joy they bring to your table.